fight, got pride, got reasons. Anything worth doing is a tough call.
This is a guide to understanding your credit score and how to increase it. Your credit score represents your credit worthiness. It ranges between 300 and 850, and the higher the score, the better. To improve your credit score, you need to understand what exactly influences it. First, payment history. Always pay your bills on time. Late payments can have a negative impact on your credit score. Next, credit utilization. Aim to keep your credit card balances low. High credit utilization suggests a higher risk to lenders. Try to maintain a utilization rate below 30% of your total available credit. Then there's length of credit history. The longer you have a credit history, the better. It demonstrates your ability to manage credit responsibly. Also, credit mix. Having a diverse credit mix, such as credit cards, loans, and a mortgage, can positively impact your credit score. However, don't apply for unnecessary credit just to increase your mix. And new credit applications. Be cautious when applying for new credit. Multiple credit inquiries within a short period can lower your credit score. Only apply for credit when necessary. Regularly check your credit report. You're legally allowed one free credit report per year. Visit Annual Credit Report. It's totally free and with no hidden fees. Dispute any inaccuracies to ensure your credit report reflects your true credit history. Then there's paying bills on time. Consistently paying your bills on time is one of the most impactful ways to increase your credit score. Late payments can remain on your credit report for up to 7 years. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. Also, reducing debt. Lowering your debt levels can significantly improve your credit score. Develop a budget and focus on paying down outstanding balances, starting with high-interest debt. And then there's increased credit limits. Contact your credit card issuers and inquire about increasing your credit limits. This can improve your credit utilization ratio. But remember to maintain responsible spending habits. Also, avoid closing old accounts. Closing old credit card accounts may seem like a logical step, but it can actually harm your credit score. Length of credit history and available credit are important factors. Keep older accounts open, especially if they have a positive payment history. And finally, limit new credit applications. Avoid applying for multiple credit cards or loans within a short period. Each application triggers a hard inquiry, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Instead, space out your applications and only apply when necessary. Increasing your credit score is a gradual process that requires discipline and responsible financial management. By understanding these factors that influence your credit score and implementing these strategies, you can take control of your financial health. The key takeaways: regularly monitor your credit, make timely payments, reduce debt, and maintain a healthy credit mix. Remember, small positive changes over time can lead to significant improvements in your credit worthiness. Was that too much info? We also offer a simple guide to improve your credit score. Avoid closing old credit card accounts, as they contribute to the length of your credit history.